this looks like a high street, part of the main city centre. I can't give you any directions on where exactly it is, but it's where you would find lots of like retail stores like here. Samsung. There's a Zara store just down there, right just there. So yeah, it just seemed like retail heavy around here. Okay, and that's why I am assuming that Primark is around here as well. According to the sat nav, telling me to turn left. Let's see, let's see. Hearing lots of Italian here, man. It's actually, I think, quite easy for the crossover between Italian and Spanish. So once you know one of them languages, you can cross over quite easy, which is cool. Sent me back onto the Rambla. Is it really up here all this time? Really? Looks like it. Sounds like it.
Cheese.
Well, I'm back on the Rambla, and this is where the sat nav has taken me. Not sure why. Oh, I am sure why. Because it's taking me to Primark, but it was taking me like up and down, round and around. Oh man, so awkward. Anyway, all part of the experience, like I keep saying. Okay. Alright, let's find Primark. And there it is, guys, behind me. All this time I've walked past this at least 3 times since I've been in Spain, in Barcelona, and I had no clue that it was a Primark. I didn't look that high up, and even if I was looking for it, I think I'll be looking for the usual colors, which is like a bluey kind of color, I think, kind of like this. Anyway, found it. Let's go and have a look, see if I can get what I need, and work to the budget. Okay, let's go. Nice and cold in here. Oh, the aircon's amazing. Here's what, guys, the air conditioning in here is unreal. It's sick. Like, it's like a fridge in here, man. I'm so happy. Hopefully I can cool down. And look, I'm sweating, man. Look, my breasts are sweating. Anyway, let's see if I can find what I need. Where are the men's clothes? So guys, the stock here is not very good. Not very good at all. Not only that, the queue here is crazy. It's like it's a Saturday in London and it's only Thursday, so I might have to just come another day. I've only got like 2 days, 2.5 days left, so I'm gonna have to think of a plan. We'll go somewhere else to find a bag, maybe the market or something. 'Cause I'm not waiting in these queues, man, especially considering I can't get what I want. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you shortly. So guys, I've just come out of Primark and damn, I'm trying to think where else I can go, but I don't really know. There's a Foot Locker here, but I'm not paying for an overpriced backpack needlessly. It's only for the beach. It's only just to replace my main rucksack, which again costs like 80 odd pound. So yeah, I also need a beach towel. I was gonna go in the home section, but it's just way too busy in there, so nah, I'm gonna have to find it from somewhere else for cheaper. I mean, when you try and buy it from the beach area, it's about 20 euros. So nah, I'm not paying 20 euros for a beach towel, man. Not at all. I think that's a man, I'm not sure. Could be a woman. Life is getting so confusing now. Oh wow.